Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to our EVS class. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson. Lesson number 12, My School. Let us start. Open your EVS reader, page number 65. Let us start to read, children. My school. My school. A school is a place where you study with the help of your teacher. Find out all that you learn in your school. Number one, you learn to read and write in your school. Number two, good habits are also taught in school. Number three, you play with friends in your free time. Number four, art and craft are also a part of your lesson. Now open next page. Good habits in school. Children must have good habits. Fill in the blanks to check how far you observe good habits in your school. Number one, you should reach your school in time. You should go to school only in a school bus. Number three, you should make it a habit to help your classmates. Number four, remember to respect your teachers. Next, you should use the dustbin for throwing waste. At last, you must be kind to animals. Now come to page number 67. We learn to draw. We learn to share things with our friends. We also learn about plants and animals and about the earth. Who helps us to learn all these things in school? Our teachers. We celebrate birthdays and festivals together in class. Children, now I read this lesson for you. I am going to explain this. Just listen to me. My school is the lesson name. First, in school, we are learning to study, right? School is the place for study. And teacher is helping you for your studies in school, isn't it? Okay. What are the things you are learning in school? Number one, you are learning to read and write in your school. And then good habits also teaching in school. And then in your free times like games or in your break time, you are playing with your friends. At last, art and craft also teaching in school. Art and craft means coloring and drawing also is part of in your studies, isn't it? Okay. Then I told you good habits also teaching in school, right? What are the good habits you are learning from school? Let us see. First thing, you should reach your school in time. So when you start to go to school in time, you are learning to follow the timings. Any place, anywhere, you will go to on a perfect time. Second thing, you should go to school only in a school bus or your transport. You should not go with another unknown persons. And then in school, you are learning to help your classmates. Means you are learning how to help others. And then you are learning to give respect to your teachers and elders in school. Next thing, you are learning to throw the waste in a dustbin. And you should be kind to animals. You should be kind to animals. These are the good habits you are learning in school. Apart from this, some more things also you are learning. What are the things? You learn to draw, you learn to share the things, and you learning about what are the plants and animals around us. Isn't it? You are learning all these things in your school. Who's helping you to learn this in school? Your teacher, right? Your teachers are helping you to learn all the things in school. Isn't it, children? Okay. Now, lesson number 13. In my school. In my school. Open page number 70. Children, here we are going to learn peoples who are working in our school. Peoples who are working in our school. Who are all working in your school, children? First, teachers, isn't it? Teachers or teacher are working in your school. What teacher is doing in school? Teacher is helping you in your studies and she's teaching for you. And then, who's the next person? Gardener. What is the work for gardener in school? Gardener, he will plant trees around the school and he will make a garden around the school. And then sweeper. Sweeper is cleaning your classrooms. And then gatekeeper. Gatekeeper, he is a security for your school and he protects unknown person entering into the school. And then who's the most important person working in school? That is principal. Principal, he is head of the school. And then bus driver. Bus driver. Some children are coming in school bus to our school, isn't it? Bus driver will take them from the home and drop the children in their home. At last, librarian. Who is librarian? Librarian is keep a record for books in the library. In library, you can see story books and your class books, English, Maths, EVS books, all books are in library. this library and keep records of this books. Okay, children. And then these peoples are all working in our school. And then we learn to read and we learn to write and we learn to do sums in school. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class, isn't it? Come, let us go to a new topic. Put right or wrong. Put right or wrong. Number one, you can make a lot of noise in the classroom. Wrong. You can make a lot of noise in the classroom. Answer is wrong. In classroom you can make a noise? No, it is not good. Number two, you can play in the playground. You can play in the playground. Where you want to play, children? In playground. So it is right. Number three, you should help your teachers and classmates. You should help your teachers and classmates. It is a good or not good. You should help your teachers and classmates. It is good. So answer is right. Number four, you can come to school at any time. You can come to school at any time. Anytime you can come to the school? No, it is not good. So answer is wrong. Number five, you can sleep when the teacher is teaching. When teacher is teaching in classroom, can you sleep, children? No, you should not sleep on that time. So answer is wrong. One more time, I will read for you. Just listen. Put right or wrong. Number one, you can make a lot of noise in the classroom. Wrong. Number two, you can play in the playground. Right. Number three, you should help your teachers and classmates. Right. Number four, you can come to school at any time. Wrong. Number five, you can sleep when the teacher is teaching. Wrong. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class and what I teach the lesson today. You enjoyed a lot. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.